In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Pygame, to make something a little more complicated, a fully functional text-based maze game, based on classic role-playing games. This program is quite a bit more complex than the previous programs. Open a new program and save as Pygame. In this program, there are two rooms, white room and black room, and no objects. The player starts in the white room, which is the first room. To go to the black room, simply type, go south, followed by enter key. When you are in the black room, you can type go north to return to the white room. Now see the program. Let me first explain, what is a function? A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single, related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application, and a high degree of code reusing. As you already know, Python gives you many built-in functions, but you can also create your own functions. These functions are called user-defined functions. Function blocks begin with the keyword def, followed by the function name, and parentheses. As you can see, we have two functions: show instructions and show status. Print, title and commands. Here the commands are, go and, get. Print the player's current status, which means current room. Then print the current inventory, which is a string type. A string is a sequence of characters. str is a built-in function in Python. An inventory is the list of items you are carrying. Initially, the inventory is empty. If there is an item in the room, print that also. Right now we don't have any items. Let's create a dictionary, linking a room to other rooms. A dictionary is used to map, or associate things you want to store the keys you need to get them. Dictionary is listed in curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, keys and values are declared. Each key is separated from its value by a colon, while each element is separated by commas. Now run the program. Type, go south, followed by enter key. You are in the black room. The inventory is empty now. Type, go north. Now you return to the initial room. Try typing, go east, and, go west. But as there aren't any rooms in those directions, the game will show you an error message. Add a new room, and an item, into the white room dictionary. Click on Run again. This time, the game will tell you that you have an item in the current room. Type, "Get Bob." You can pick it up, adding it to the inventory. Your inventory stays with you as you travel from room to room. Let's go back to the script area. While true is loop forever. The syntax of a while loop is while expression statements. Move is the variable here. In the statement, we have move equals input greater than symbol. The symbol prompt the user that he need to enter something. In this line, the lower function returns the lowercase string. The split breaks it up into a list array. If they type go first, check another loop and see that they are allowed wherever they want to go. Set the current room to the new room. If there is no door to the new room, print a comment. Similarly, if they type get first, if the room contains an item, and the item is the one they want to get, add item into the inventory. If it is added, delete the item from the room. If the condition is false, give a comment, they can't get it. Make the game more adventurous by adding more rooms and items into it. I have added a monster in one of the rooms now, and a book in the library. If you reach the entrance after getting the Bob and the book, you win the game. If you enter the room with a monster, you will lose the game. Hope you have enjoyed Pygame in PyCharm. See you soon in the next tutorial.